Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I haven't filmed in a while, like a month, but I'm back and today's video is going to be a haul. So I bought a lot of things, but I'm only showing like the things I really am most excited about. So don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram to keep up with me, because if I'm not posting on here, I'm usually posting on Instagram. Okay, so the first things I'm gonna show, one of my packages just got here like a few minutes ago, and it's this Blondie cassette. It's a cassette tape, but it's from 1981, cassette tape. I ordered this a few days ago and it got here really quickly, so I can't wait to play this soon. I already have the vinyl, so I finally got the cassette. Then I also got my watermelon sugar vinyl. It finally came. I ordered this in August. And yeah, it's red. Well, it's red on camera, but it looks pink in person. But yeah, it's like the open watermelon. And then the outside of a watermelon. And it only has one song. Instrumental is this side, and then the one with the lyrics is this side. And it also comes with pictures of Harry in Malibu. I have the cassette tape as well. Sorry, I keep looking at the screen, but yeah, I have the cassette tape as well. Hello Kitty masks. They're disposable, don't come at me. I use reusable ones too, but I want Hello Kitty ones, okay? Like, this is so cute. I'm already using one. I usually bring disposable face mask everywhere with me, just in case someone doesn't have one, or if I lose mine. So yeah, I got these. These are kids masks. My face is really small, so other ones usually dig into my face, and this one like fits perfectly. Like, I bend my the nose thing and it fits perfectly when I wear it. And it's only $13 for a pack of 50, and it's really cheap. Another thing I ordered off of Amazon was these little button joystick, right? I think that's what it's called, right? The joystick button covers. I got the fruity ones, peach and an apple, a pack of 4, and then I got the heart buttons. I realized that it's not for this one, it's only for this one. Probably gonna use a hot glue gun just to glue the other ones on this, because I really want it to like match. Another thing I got were fancy hair ties. They're from Josh Liu. I'm sorry if I'm butchering his last name, but Ariana Grande's hairstylist. I ordered these hair ties because he came out with these, and look at the packaging. That's so cute. I was not gonna order this variety pack, but I really like how the blonde looks and like the color. Do you see that? Like, it's so aesthetic. Let me take it out. Oh, it also comes with like this little plastic ring, so I'm definitely gonna keep it looking nice. I've already been using them and they work really well. I had my hair in a bun yesterday, but not with like this hair. I have like natural hair. I can't even speak, but yeah. I've been using like only one of them because I am so like loyal to my hair ties. I never lose them. So I've been using like the first one on this one, and my hair was not moving anywhere. It stayed in place. It does not hurt like the other ones, and it doesn't like stretch out over time. Then I thrifted this pair of Ugg Clogs. If you know me, I love clogs. I love the way they look. I love everything about clogs from like the 70s. Thrifted this pair for $40, and my exact size. I never expected to find them, and they're almost like new. And they're also the leather, because I know that Ugg doesn't really make the leather ones anymore. They usually make the Sherpa suede ones, and I want to use these for like the summer. I can't use the suede and Sherpa ones for like the summer really, so I'm definitely wearing these during the spring. Then I didn't thrift this, but I found it on Nordstrom Rack. They're already sold out, but I got these Ugg snow boots because I need snow boots. These are my only pair technically. I have hunter boots, but my feet are like frozen in those boots, and they're so expensive. Like, I usually just use them for rain at this point. And these can like hold up to like -25 degrees, I think. So you will not feel any like coldness in your feet. And also, they're so cute. Like, look at the color. These definitely match my aesthetic, so I'm glad I found these because they don't really have a lot of cute colors anymore. So yeah. The thing I ordered was from Parade. I ordered underwear from Parade because, you know, Parade looks really good. I already received them. Only 2 of them were sold out, so I'm getting a refund, thank God. I'm currently washing them, so I can't like show you guys right now. I can show you guys the photos of the underwears that I got. I mostly got black and beige because, you know, like that's what I usually wear for like sheer clothes and all that. So yeah, I will definitely I'll probably post on my Instagram a photo of the underwear. Okay, so this is the last thing I'm showing you guys, and it's from Merit. They're available on Sephora now, but I don't have an affiliate code that leads you to Sephora. It leads you to Merit. So yeah, if you guys want to check out Merit, definitely go check them out. I'm wearing their makeup right now. I'm wearing all of their makeup now. The lip oil, actually I'm gonna show you guys right now. So this is my new favorite makeup bag. Like, look at this. It's corduroy. It comes with like every first purchase. So I got their Bounce highlighter. It's a little highlighting balm. It's like pink. This is a rose gold kind of like highlighter, and I'm wearing it right now. I definitely think it's like a universal color because it does not look pink on me, and like blends out really well. I think this has to be my favorite product by Merit. It's the lip oil in the shade Natural. I don't know how to say that name, but yeah, it's like a nude color. I'm definitely for nudes. It looks like a peach on me though, so it's like a peachy nude. Definitely love it. Been using it every day for like maybe almost a week already. It's an oil, so it's not like a lip gloss where it's all thick and like sticky on your lip. I got their #1 brush. I mainly use it for blush. I just like blend out my blush like that. Sorry, the brush is already dirty, but yeah, I use it for blush. I got their Perfecting Complexion stick. I've used it to clean up my eyebrows, my like normal under eye concealer and all that. And yeah, I somehow chose the right color. It is a little more lighter than my skin tone, but I just bronze up my face with my normal bronzer that I usually use. And then yeah, it's a stick concealer. You can use it as foundation. Been using it a lot, and it's literally like the perfect shade for me. It really gave you a good description on like how the shade looks, because I usually go by that. And I found ochre, which is like my concealer shade. I also have their brow pomade in black brown. It's supposed to like give you it's supposed to give you the 80s brow, which I definitely think it's achieving. I really like how it looks. I don't know. I did fill in my eyebrows a little bit, but I always finish off by using this brow gel. I have their blush in Raspberry Beret. I love the name because I listen to Raspberry Beret a lot on Spotify. So yeah, it's a cheek color. I'm definitely thinking that you can use it as a lip color. It's really small. I don't think you can like screw it up because that's what I was trying to do. But yeah, it's a dark berry. It looks like that. I think it's so cute, so small. So yeah, if you guys want to go check out Merit, don't forget to click the affiliate link down in my description box and it'll lead you to Merit. And you can check out all of their 5-minute makeup products. It's everything that you need to use to achieve like a 5-minute makeup look. So yeah, I think it's perfect for anyone who loves natural makeup like me. It makes you look so good. Like, look at this. Like, it really looks nice, like on camera and in person. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.